Ho, 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 and happy holidays. As you know, I have been sharing parenting tips from my best-selling book, What Am I Gonna Do with This Child? 3 Easy Steps to Successful Parenting, obtained by ordering through Amazon or Kohl's, Indigo, or Chapters. Today, though, I'd like to share with you 2 very, very valuable words you can have in getting your child to open up and talk and share more. Say, for example, when they come home from school or a sports event, you could say, as the parent, "How did things go? What happened?" But from there, leave it alone and let them do the talking, however little it might be. And just on occasion, input with, as I said, one of these 2 valuable words you can use. You could say, as they're talking and sharing, mmm, mmm, or aha, aha, and say nothing more. That's all you need to say for the time being as you're conversing and getting your child to open up and talk freely and feel comfortable being able to trust and have confidence in opening up and sharing more. So there you have it. 2 very valuable words you can input throughout a conversation with your child. And they are, ah-ha, mmm, mmm, uh-huh. Have fun chatting with your child. And again, I will come back with some more tips over the holidays.